Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd go over a question that we do receive a lot, and that is, what is a door closer called? If you're in the door industry, a door closer is simply called a commercial surface mount door closer or hydraulic door closer. However, for people that are, kind of unaware of the door hardware industry or door components in general, a door closer is a hydraulic spring device that's used to dampen the closing speed of a door. It's essentially a safety device, so the door will automatically close behind you after it's used and won't slam anyone's fingers or hurt anyone as they pass through. So I hope that clears this up. There are a variety of commercial door closers to choose from. There's like surface mount door closers, which mount directly to the door or frame, and that's probably the type of door closer you see in hospitals and retail stores. It's definitely the most common. And then there's also concealed mount door closers, or overhead concealed or transom mount door closers. They all mean the same thing, and they're essentially hidden door closers that are center hung inside the actual door frame that you are not able to see by eye. And then finally, there's the floor mounted door closer. All use the same functionality in terms of closing, spring and hydraulics. And we do carry all of these at Automatic Door and Hardware. I'll put a link below. We sell our Commando brand commercial door closers. If you have any more questions on what a door closer is or what they might be called, especially if you're not in the door industry, please feel free to email us at sales@autodoorandhardware.com, and we'll be happy to help you. All right, thanks guys.